with Pineda, the anchor of the defense, the Thunderbells. You know what? The reason why it is kind of shocking that they're 1-6. Mamachi, you know, pamalit kay Klo, and then you have Gonzaga. You have, Arroyo, Nogales, and it's really
complete ingredients for the Zeus coffee.
I'm dumbfounded that they're number 9.
If you're the top team, you can spiral down.
Right. Kasi gumaling din naman yung iba.
Yes, so every game counts.
She was talking to Myla na that game, even if they lost, gave them a little hope that, hey, we're still that team. And a 4-1 start here by MJ Phillips, coming off a 12-point performance against Creamline. Klo had to chase, and Arroyo, their #1 scorer from Zeus, goes down the line for that one.
Arroyo trying.
Found herself, unfortunately, the team struggling. From a team standpoint, Arroyo, dug by Tolentino. Pineda will set up Pablo, that tip. One more for Arroyo, cross court. Van Sickle will ask for this one. Gonzaga keeps it up. Robles from behind.
Great play there for Montenegro. Looking for Robles. Just another option for a
to get a win later on. Or now, rather. Jules, the kneeling set to Sabete Escamillan. Myla. Mondoñedo goes to Gonzaga. Klo will try again. To Thea Gagate this time. Better height for
yes. Thea was happy about that. Even though it was like off set already. Just finally connecting with Gagate. And alam natin si Robles power spike.
Yep. Pineda was there. From the back, Brooke Van Sickle with her first point on the match, and it is the spike of the set brought to you by Dunkin', pasalubong ng bayan. Chini waiting in the left pin.
Whoa.
Eroa is there for coverage. Oh, that chop.
From the swing of Brooke Van Sickle, you'll know she's gonna attack point.
Another chance here. Back to her. Good variety from Janelle. Oh, great instinct by Chi. What a save by the veteran. Musa. Doug. Troncoso with the hit out. Akalain mo sa kanila pa napunta yung point because of Mama Chi's hustle.
Yes, batang-bata Mama Chi. Look at here. Yes, one hand save. Roll.
Matik na yan.
Yes. Dikitan to boom. 16 all, 18 all.
Yep.
That's an ace for Micah Goal.
Balik kay Jonah. Rumicide, pumalo. Leading all scorers so far with 6. Per set, napakabigat ng kung sino makauna eh.
Yes, kasi first set pa lang, laban na laban all the players. Fresh pa, legs.
Bumalik. Balik kay Gonzaga. Again, targeting the middle. 5 points for Ate Jobs.
Still serving.
Lateral speed.
Yeah, use the wings. The smaller blockers.
Jonah. Doug by Ceballos. Nagawan pa ng paraan.
Kasi they thought it was a violation, double violation for Montenegro there.
Jones. 7 points. Kaliwete pa, kaya ang hirap.
Yes.
The defense of Zeus has been good. But they get 1 point back, courtesy of a block. Down 3. That's it again.